Hi YouTube, welcome to CrackBay. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag and some gameplays. First of all, you need to download the game, and the perfect site to download PC games is TorrentZ. Torrent downloading, there are other lots of millions of sites of torrent downloading, which you can choose the better one. And I choose TorrentZ. Just type Assassin's Creed Black Flag in search box and search. You can see there are lots of torrents that are named Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Choose the right copy is the first thing, and I choose Assassin's Creed Black Flag for non-Steam. Sorry, no Steam. That's worked for me, and this is a better version. You just open it and download it. Press downloading. You can see the system requirements down here, the file support. You can see the comments here. You just download it. Press download torrent and it will be automatically, click download. Then select your location to where to download and click OK. Okay, and it's downloading. It's take a while. I started downloading. After downloading, you can open the file. Yeah, it's downloading. I have already the file downloaded. Just close it. Here my copy of Assassin's Creed Black Flag. No Steam. Just click the first Assassin's Creed for no Steam part 1, and no need to extract any RAR. Yes, select the file location, press install. It takes time to install the game. Now the installation is completed and we need to crack the game. Copy the crack in the game folder. And paste to the destination folder, game install folder. Paste here. Close the folder. Click the icon on the desktop and run the game. Now you can play the game. Thanks for watching Crack Bay. If you want to watch more, subscribe below.